How to use Bitdefender Central. Besides offering the best protection for your systems, we want you to have the smoothest experience managing and using your Bitdefender products on all of your systems, Windows-based, Mac systems and Android mobile devices. That is why we created Bitdefender Central. Bitdefender Central is the web platform where you have access to the product's online features and services and can remotely perform important tasks on devices Bitdefender is installed on. You can log into your Bitdefender account from any computer or mobile device connected to the internet by accessing this link. You can learn more about Bitdefender Central's most important features from the video below. Now let's look over the functions of each of the Bitdefender Central modules. My devices, see the list of devices on which you installed Bitdefender. Install Bitdefender on your systems, Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android-based, remotely control the devices Bitdefender is installed on. Here are the commands you can run from Bitdefender Central on your Windows-based systems, where Bitdefender is installed. 1. View and fix the issues that Bitdefender reports on the device. 2. View the number of days from the Bitdefender subscription linked to that device. 3. Quick scan and full system scan can be run on the system. 4. Optimize the system, more computers with Bitdefender Total Security. 5. Run a vulnerability scan on the computer. 6. Use the anti-theft feature, for devices that have Bitdefender Total Security or Bitdefender Mobile Security for Android, locate, what, lock. Parental control, activity, displays child activity based on hours spent and his activity on the computer. Applications, displays the applications that the child uses on his computer. Websites, displays the general domains of interest that the parent can allow or block. Phone contacts, displays the list of contacts that the child has on his Android device. Contacts can be blocked by the parent. Child location, a list of areas defined by the parent to be notified when the child enters or leaves those zones, e.g. home, school. Screen time, limit access to your child's devices within specified hours, during bedtime. Allow access to the child's devices for a specified time, during daytime. Premium services, see the premium services you have in your account. Purchase a new premium service to fix your computer issues. My subscriptions, see the details of all the subscriptions attached to your account. See the devices a subscription is used on. Activate a subscription using an activation code, or an older Bitdefender license key. My offers, receive only personalized offers, which are 100% tailored to your system security needs. Support, direct access to our support team. Settings, my account, change the password to your account. Adjust your personal info for personalized offers. Change the language for your Bitdefender Central account and for the Bitdefender product that you are installing on your Windows systems.